Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about the another operator that is which comes under the conditional and the boolean operator, that is find index. So you already know about this find index. So we will be already using this one in the array or any in the JavaScript or anything. So find index operator, what it will try to do is it emits only the index. That means it will give you only the key value, something like that. It will give you only the index value. So where that value is present of the first value. So if it matches the first value, so it will return you that index value emitted by the source observable that meets some condition. Now here if you try to see the syntax, find index, and you will be having a predicate function. Predicate function is nothing but which returns either true or false, like that. So here you will be having like this, and another one is the and another one is this arg. This arg means, so if you have any this means, so you can use this. So normally you will be using the arrow functions, so there is no need to add this arg. Here this one is, first one is the predicate function, a function called with each item to test for condition matching. Now here if you try to see, so it is like find but emits the index of the found value. So find is also one and the same only, we will see about the find also, but here it emits the index of the found value, not the value itself. It will not give you the value, it will give you the place, place where that value is present. For example, here you are having in the marble diagram, so the source observer, the input observable is emitting the values 3, 9, 15, 20, and then it is completed. When you pass these all values to the find index, and here we are having a condition in such a way that x mod 5 is equal to 0. So that means which is divisible by 5. Here the value divisible by 5 is 15 and the 20, but the first occurred is 15. So that is the reason. So it will give you the place where it is present. So the place where it is present is calculated from first onwards is 0, 1 and 2. The place where it is present is second position, 0, 1, 2. So that is the reason. So 2 has been emitted here and it is completed. So find index will give you the index position, the position where it is present starting from the 0. So here this is the first occurrence, this is the first value which the condition has met. So condition has become true for this value. So that is the reason it will give you the position of that one and it will complete. So this is about the find index. Something like what we can say is find index searches for the first item in the source observable that matches the specified condition embodied by the predicate and returns the thing. Unlike first, the predicate is required in find index. So here the first what it will try to do here, so the first is also having the same thing which meets the condition, right? In the same scenario, first also the predicate file is required and does not emit an error if a valid value is not found. So if a valid value is not found, it will not emit an error, it will emit -1. So I will show you way how it will return. So let's try to see the practical implementation. Now here I am creating, so find index operator, and in this find index operator let's try to create, and here I will open operators.component.html, and in this one I will add find index, and here I can use find index. Okay, and let's go to the app routing, and in this app routing what I will try to do is, so here I will add find index, sorry. So here first we will add this routing name find index, and here I will add find index operator component. That's it. Let's go to the find index operator component. So I am opening this find index operator component. Let's say that we have a source observable. So having the values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10, something like this. Okay, 5, so 12, 10, so 12 or something like that. Let's assume. So random values we are having. So source $.subscribe, I am subscribing to this one, and so let's assume that console.log I am emitting the data. Okay, and here let's add pipe, and here what I will try to do is find index of value. Okay, I can also have the optional index also. Now value mod or otherwise value greater than 10. Let's assume that value greater than 10. I want to get the value. If I try to go here RxJS in the operators, and here in the find index you will be able to see that it is present in the 6th position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 value greater than 10 means, so 10 it is not greater than 10, it is equal to 10, so that is the reason. So 12 has came. So for example, if we find here greater than 10 at the 2nd position itself, so then what could be the output here? So the output will be 2. So that means if it finds the matches, so immediately it will start and it will stop and it will give you the index where the position where it is present. So here it is present in the 2nd position, that is the reason it has sent you the 2 and it is completed immediately. Now another one what I can tell is, for example, if it doesn't find any match, okay, now what it will try to do here, so it will return you the -1. So if you try to see, it returns you the -1. So it has written -1 means you can understand that, so it hasn't found the match. So find index, it hasn't found the index, so that is the reason it has written you the -1. So for example, it has found in the first place only, then what it will try to do, so for example here I am having 121 or something like that, so 121 is greater than 20 only, then it will return you the 0. Why? Because 0 is the index position. So this is about the find index. So if you want to achieve the same thing using the first operator means what we can do here, so we can do the same thing and I can add this first operator. Now what it will try to print here, it will try to print the value instead of the index thing. So if you try to see here, let's write this, so 121 is the it has been printed. For example, if you write the same thing, so greater than 200 means there is no value that is greater than 200. Now what it will return, find index will return -1, whereas the first operator will return an error. If you try to see here, error, so unable to find this empty error. So this is the difference between the find index and the first thing. So hope you understood about this concept find index. The same thing comes under the find thing actually. If you see the find thing, you will understand. So in the next video, we will discuss about the find thing. Hope you understood about this find index. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.